Wishing you all a very Shubh Navratri. On the 5th day of Navratri, we worship Ma Skanda Mata. The word Skanda means Kartikeya, the firstborn child of Lord Shiva, and Ma Parvati. And Mata means mother. So Skanda Mata is essentially goddess Parvati in the form of the mother of Kartikeya. After Sati immolated herself, Lord Shiva withdrew completely from the world. He lived as an ascetic, detached from everything. During this time, two demons, Tarakasura and Surapadman, had received a boon that only the child of Shiva and Parvati could destroy them. This made all the gods and goddesses very worried. It was then that Narada Muni visited Parvati, who had been reborn as Ma Shailaputri. Naradji told her that if she wished to marry Shiva in this birth too, she would need to perform severe penance. Parvati performed thousands of years of tapasya, after which Shiva was pleased. He accepted her devotion and the two were married. From their divine union, a radiant seed was created, so powerful that even the fire god, Agni, could not hold it. The seed was passed on to Ma Ganga and then nurtured by Ma Parvati herself. From this seed was born Kartikeya, the commander-in-chief of the army of the gods. Kartikeya had 6 faces and was cared of by 6 celestial mothers called the Kritikas, which is why he is also known as Kartikeya. In South India, he is worshipped as Lord Murugan. Kartikeya grew up immensely powerful and wise, blessed with divine weapons and knowledge. It is said that he once asked Lord Brahma the meaning of the sacred word Om. Brahmaji explained it in 12,000 words and verses, but Kartikeya was unsatisfied. He then asked Lord Shiva, who gave him an explanation in 12 lakh verses. Yet Kartikeya still wasn't fully convinced. Finally, Kartikeya himself explained the meaning of Om in 12 crore verses. This shows his extraordinary intellect and power. Ma Skanda Mata is depicted with 4 hands. In one she carries baby Kartikeya. In 2 hands she holds lotuses. And with her 4th hand, she blesses her devotees. She rides a lion and sits upon a lotus, symbolizing both courage and purity. On the 5th day of Navratri, devotees worship Ma Skanda Mata for wisdom, strength and peace. She is the powerful mother of a very powerful son, and her blessings remove obstacles from the life of her devotees. Wishing you a very happy Navratri once again. Thank you.